Hey guys, today I will show you how to make a Clickbank account step by step for affiliate marketing and also how to create an affiliate link. And a little bit about how to promote it too. So let's begin. First you have to go to Clickbank official website clickbank.com. Now, go to login. Because we don't have any account previously, so we will go to create an account here. Now it will ask us about all the info about us. For country I will select Canada. You can select your country or where you are right now. Then first name, last name and your phone number. Your email address. You should give your valid email address. Then password. I would suggest make a strong password for it. Once all the info is filled, you have to click on Continue to Terms and Conditions. It will open up to a new page. Now if you want to read them, it's up to you. Or you can just go back to your previous page. It will automatically check that you have read the terms. After that, click on Create Account. Now just click on to No Thanks. Now before you could go to your account, they will show you a page related to some info for sellers and affiliate. Just click on download and now finally you can go to your account. Now go to complete my profile. Fill the necessary info. You should give the correct info here. Your street address. State in which you are living right now. Zip code. Now here they are asking you, optimize your performance. Just click on, I want to, and select promote product as an affiliate. For the payee name, write your name here. You are just starting this business and you have no revenue yet. So in my company revenue, select the first option that says $0 to $25,000. After that, save it. Now your profile is updated successfully. After this, next step is also very important. You have to create your nickname, and it is very important. Why? I will show you very soon why it's important, but first, click on Create My Nickname. In the Account Type section, you will again select Affiliate Promote Products. Now select a unique nickname for yourself. It can be anything that you want. And also it should be available. So once it's done, click on Sign Up. Now if you click on where it shows your nickname, which is also your account, it will lead you to the details of your account. Now if you scroll down, you can see your earnings there, which of course at this point will be 0. Now if you go up here, it says you have to do the confirmation of your account. Actually, they have already sent you the email to your email address. Just go to your email and confirm it from the link that they have provided in the email. And then come back here on this page and refresh this page. This message will disappear and it will start saying that you have registered your account. I am not going into all of this because I know you can do it. It's simple and we do it all the time. For almost like every account that we create anywhere. Now to our next step. Go to the top and click on Marketplace. That's where you will find all the products that you are going to promote, and if you are successful in doing so and someone buys it from your referred link, you will get a high commission. Good thing about Clickbank is that it gives you high commission as compared to Amazon affiliation program. Anyway, now you will find all the categories here, and if you click any one of it will show you the products related to it. My favorite categories are business and health. There is one thing you should keep in mind. You should try to sell what people wants to buy, not what you want to sell. And one more thing, and the most important thing. Once you have selected the product, go to the top and rank them according to gravity score. Gravity score gives you an idea that how many people are making money from that product and how famous that product is. Most of the people say don't go for products with high gravity because you will find a lot of competition there. But I would suggest select products with high gravity. But don't select products with gravity less than 80. Now for most of these products you will find an affiliate page where you can go and find info about these products. And that info can help you in the promotion of that product. You will be able to tell buyers about the pros and cons of that product from that info. It's helpful but not a necessary step. Now let's say you have selected Exapure. Click on Promote, it will lead you to this page. Now you see, our nickname is already here. That's why we needed the nickname, because our affiliate link will be linked to our nickname. If you don't see it here already, just type in here your nickname that you created previously. You have to be careful when writing your nickname, it should be exactly same that shows in your account. Now next is tracking ID. It's up to you if you want to create it. For example, we will write YouTube here. I would say it actually doesn't matter even if you leave it blank. Now click on Create Link. Copy it. This link actually looks kind of messy and long. I would recommend to go to bit.ly.com and shorten your link. Now after you have created the link, then the main and the tricky part comes, which is how to promote your link to other people. So they can click on your link and go to the product's official website and buy that product. And if they buy that product, you will get the commission from it that will automatically go to your account. Many people are doing it by promoting a product at their YouTube channel. What they do is, they give a detailed review about a product. And then in the description of that video they will provide the affiliate link for that product. Once someone finds that review and product useful, he or she will go to the link in the description and click on it. And it will lead them to the product, and if they decide to buy it and pay for it, you will get the commission from Clickbank. And it will start showing into your Clickbank account, which you can withdraw later. For example, here what I am showing you is the review of Exapure, and if you go to the description of all these video you will find an affiliate link there. There are other ways too to promote your affiliate links, like creating a website and writing blogs about the products, and then at the end of the blog you can give your affiliate link. Or using TikTok or Facebook groups to promote your affiliate link. Actually, this topic needs a whole new video to show you guys how to promote your affiliate link, and I will soon make a video about it. But for now we will discuss a last thing, and it is very important one. Once you have created your affiliate link, you will surely wonder, does it even work? And how to check it if it does? Well, no need to worry, I will show you. Click on your affiliate link or open it in a different tab. Then click on where they say buy this product. It will say something like this: order now or click here. Like for example for Exapure it says order now. Click on order now. Click on add to cart. And on the payment page, go at the bottom of the page. Now if you look here at the end, I will zoom it for you. You can see it says affiliate equals your nickname. You should see your nickname here. If your nickname is there, then you are good to go. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you like it and learned how to make a Clickbank account. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.